This week alone, thousands of startups have completely collapsed and billions of dollars in value have completely just vanished overnight. Not because they were bad businesses, but because of AI. And it's completely shifted all the rules in business. So if you're a solopreneur right now who doesn't adapt immediately, your business just won't go down. It will get completely erased. So there are 7 signals happening right now, and they will separate the solopreneurs who can scale from the ones who actually just disappear. So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly what this means for your business and what you must do and change today to be able to make sure that you can actually ride this wave. 1. Google has just nuked thousands of startups. Here's the first one that you really need to understand. Google just wiped out all these different thousands of startups, not with a lawsuit, not with competition, but with an algorithm update. Here's what happened. Google just made a platform, a high-level change that decimated traffic for all businesses that have built their entire foundation on Google's ecosystem. So that's like SEO, Google Ads, organic search, overnight gone. So what does that actually mean for you? One word: diversification. If your entire business depends on one platform, whether it's on Google, Instagram, TikTok, or even Amazon, you are one policy, one algorithm change away from just zero. Full stop. The solopreneurs and business owners that survived this, they had email lists, they had communities, they had multiple traffic sources. Your action step here is simple. This week, you want to just identify your biggest traffic or your revenue dependency. Then you want to start building your second lane. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to exist. This is how you prevent this. The second trigger here is Claude triggers $15 billion in sell-off. So this one's actually wild. Anthropic, the billion-dollar AI safety and research company, just dropped Claude with advanced security capabilities, and it was so good at identifying vulnerabilities that cyber stocks just took a hit of $15 billion in one day. Now, it doesn't matter if you're in cybersecurity space or not. The story is actually about something much bigger that you need to understand. It's proof that AI is now disrupting industries that people thought were untouchable. High skill, high barrier, high paying industries. So for you as a solopreneur, what you need to be able to gather from this is that this is actually good news for you. If you move fast, think about whatever service or skill or product that you offer right now. There's a version of Claude or a tool like it that is about to do a portion of that at a fraction of the cost. So the question is, are you the founder that's going to be using a tool or similar software out there to 10x your output? Or are you going to be that solopreneur that tool is going to be replacing? The businesses that are winning right now are the ones wrapping AI around their expertise, enhancing it, not competing against it. The third trigger is Figma plus Anthropic partnering up. So next on the list is actually understanding the company Figma, and Anthropic is working together. They've announced a partnership. And this integration that takes AI-generated code and turns it into a fully editable design is huge. And this one is a big deal for you, especially for non-technical founders or solopreneurs. I don't think people are talking enough about this. So why is this great for you, and what does that mean for you in just plain English? It means now you can describe a product, have AI build it, and then visually edit it like a developer. Even if you have zero coding design experience, any of that experience, technical at all. So for solopreneurs, this is massive. So that means you no longer have to hire a designer, have to hire a developer, anything to go from your idea to an actual working prototype. You can move from concept to something that looks and feels real in a single afternoon. So if you always wondered why some apps for certain problems don't already exist, now instead of wondering and being held back by it, by having no coding or technical skills, you can go and build this in seconds for yourself right now. And that is a huge shift. The fourth trigger here is Dance 2.0 by Bytedance, which is AI video generation. And this is completely taking over the social media content creation game right now. And after some early controversies, they've added like safety guardrails just so that we can keep it running because there's a lot of issues with IP and all that. But after all these guardrails, what's really important to take away from this specific change right now, and here's the key takeaway: AI video generation is no longer a coming soon technology. It's already here. And the creators and the business owners and the brands, they're currently using it right now to produce content at a huge volume and quality that manually produced content simply cannot be competed with. So the best part for you right now is that with all these new safety enhancements from Bytedance, that means you don't need to worry about any IP or any copyright issues as you mass produce content for your business and rapidly grow your content game. And this is huge, especially when you're not at a stage in your business right now to be hiring a content team, a designer, a video editor, or anyone in that specific department. This is going to be your key. The fifth trigger here is that you can clone any voice. And I'll emphasize any voice 100%. So now a new open source model just dropped that lets you clone any type of voice, all types of voice, completely locally on your own machine with no data going to the cloud.
This is the best text-to-speech generator you can use right now.
You can easily clone anyone's voice.
It's so good at handling emotions.
It can even do accents and different languages.
You can even prompt the exact voice you want.
So for solopreneurs, this is great. The immediate use case is obvious: content creation. You can create podcast episodes, video voiceovers, or audio ads, or even creative ads to advertise your business or your product, and you can use it consistently, and these voice will be consistently without recording every single time. But here's a deeper signal. Local AI is becoming generally powerful. That means privacy-first AI tools are coming, and there will be a real market for businesses that can guarantee their clients' data never leave their own infrastructure. So if you're in any B2B niche where data privacy actually matters, like legal, healthcare, finance, this is a positioning opportunity. We use AI, but your data never leaves your system. It's going to be a serious selling point right now. The sixth trigger here is Replit and Gemini. Replit just launched an AI-powered animation inside its own development platform using Gemini. What this means for you is that building animated interactive web experiences is now accessible to people with zero traditional development background, non-technical. So for solopreneurs building products or even SaaS platforms right now, the design quality bar just got raised, but so did your ability to meet it. If your product currently looks like it was built in 2015, you now have the right tools at your disposal to fix that right away without having to hire agencies or freelancers that charge a huge amount to be able to actually get this done for you. So no excuses, first impressions still matter, design still converts, you want to use these tools. And here is the last signal, and it's the most craziest signal, which is Claude Code can now test and fix your app or your platform. So might be the most important tool and the most important signal you gotta understand. AI tool Claude Code has crossed a major threshold. It can now autonomously test your application, find bugs, and fix them without you touching a single line of code. So think about what this means. QA testing, quality assurance, which used to require a dedicated team or minimum hundreds of hours, is now something an AI agent, an AI tool can handle on its own in seconds. So for solopreneurs building software products, a SaaS company, this is a genuine leverage unlock right now. So that means you can ship faster, maintain quality with a team of one. So now you can compete with companies that have 10x your headcount, 10x the actual labor and talent. So the solopreneurs of 2026 aren't working much harder than anyone else. They're just delegating to AI agents smarter than ever before. So if you haven't started using Claude Code or a similar agentic coding tool, this is your sign right now. That's it. 7 big AI trends and news that will shake up the business landscape right now and what it means for you. So let me bring this home for you. The honest truth about being a solopreneur in 2026. You are living in the most volatile and the most opportunity-rich moment in the history of entrepreneurship and business at the exact same time. The businesses who are going to win aren't the ones with the bigger budgets or the bigger team, a crazy advertising budget. They're actually the ones that just pay attention. They move fast, building systems or letting use AI to do all the heavy lifting for them. So I want to recap the 3 most important key takeaways to protect your business from being extinct, or rather, riding its growing AI wave. Number 1, stop depending on one platform. Google already proved it where it can just nuke you without warning. Diversify your traffic, your revenue, and your audience. Number 2, start using agentic AI tools. Claude Code, Replit, Figma AI. These aren't toys anymore. The actual legitimate leverage that can make you function like a team of 10 or more. Number 3, and the last one here, watch the infrastructure. Chips getting faster, models getting cheaper, local AI getting more powerful. All of this, what it means for you is that the window for building AI native businesses, or just any business right now, it doesn't matter if it's AI or not, or traditional businesses, it just got that much easier and that much faster and much cheaper to do. It's just whether or not you actually want to learn and take advantage of these tools. So don't wait until it's obvious. By then, it's already gonna be crowded. Now, if you're serious about your business and your success, then I want you to hit the subscribe button right now, because every single week, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you real practical skills, strategies, and tips to help you build a very successful business. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, I want us to win together. So what I want you to do is, there's a video below, check that out, because I'm sure it's gonna help you grow that much faster. So check out that video below.